Hello coders, welcome to Ignite Coder. Today we are going to look into basic steps to solve any problem. If you master these basic steps, you will not find any difficulty to solve any coding challenge. So let's go through the steps one by one. Step 1 is to check sample test cases. Step 2, understand logic for correct output. Then you need to step 3, understand how many loops and conditions you are required and variables you require. While typing program, you may get some errors, silly errors like initializing error and something arithmetic error something. So you need to debug all those errors and logic errors, like if your code is not giving correct output, you need to look into your code again and again. Step 5, run your program with different test cases. Sometimes what happens is it passes correctly for one test case but it fails for other test case. Let's understand these steps with an example problem. In this problem, we have to count the occurrence of each character in a string. For sample input Ignite Coder, we need to get the following out. I is repeated 2 times, so beside I got the 2. Rest of them are repeated only once. Let's test for another in optimistic. Here T is 2 times repeated, I is 2 times, rest is 1 repeat. By looking into sample cases, you need to able to understand the logic, like how we are getting. As humans, we can simply tell that they are occurring once or twice or more. But for a computer, it cannot tell. So we need to code accurate logic such that it can give us the required output. Step 1 we already discussed in previous slides. Step 2, understanding logic. We can easily tell that we need to compare each character with the rest of the character. If repeated, we take some variable count and increment that variable and return after comparing it with all others. There are many ways to solve this problem. We'll discuss each and every way in our further videos. Step 3, we need to check how many loops you require, how many if conditions you require, and what type of data structures or variables you need. Simply, we can use 2 loops. In first loop, we take one character. In second loop, we compare it with all other characters in a string. We use if condition such that if they are equal, we need to make the count greater by +1. We'll discuss the solution of this problem in our next video. Detailed solution will always help you to approach problems in a different way. We'll discuss the various test cases. We'll discuss various time complexities that we can do on this problem. In our next video, it will be a very detailed video of this coding challenge. It's a simple one. Step 4 and 5 can only be done after writing code. So we'll discuss the step 4 and 5 in our next video. I put the link of simple solutions in description. Please go through that before coming on to the next video. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.